Let's prepare to meditate. In this meditation, we will be lying down. Find a big space for yourself where you are not touching anyone else and lie down on your back. Rest your arms and hands on the ground beside you so you aren't using a single muscle to hold them up. Let your hands be soft and fall open naturally. Adjust your shoulders so they come away from your ears. Adjust your back so that it is tall and straight. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. In this meditation, we will be stretching and relaxing different parts of our body. Start with your feet. Stretch them by pointing your toes downward. Hold it for a moment, and now relax. Give your feet a gentle little wiggle to help them relax back to normal. Take a few deep breaths and imagine your feet relaxing and turning soft. Relax your feet. Relax them more. Relax fully. Now try your hands. Stretch them out wide. Stretch nice and big. Now relax. Wiggle them softly and take some deep breaths and relax your hands. Relax them deeper. Use your breath to relax them even more. Relax fully. Now for your legs. Stretch your legs long from your ankles all the way to your lower back. Stretch tall. Now relax. Shake out your stretch gently and relax your legs using deep breaths. Relax your legs and let them feel heavy. Use your breath to relax them even more. Relax fully. Now for your arms. Stretch your arms out tall or wide. Stretch yourself long from your shoulders to your fingertips. Now relax. Leave your arms where they are and wiggle them out gently. Now use full, healthy breaths to relax them. Breathe deeply and relax your arms. Let them be soft. Let them be heavy. Relax fully. Now let's relax our whole body, but without stretching. Use your breath to make your body soft and heavy. Relax your whole body. Soften every muscle. Relax every part. Relax deeply. Be heavy. Relax fully. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.